Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be reviewing a favorite case of mine, the Incipio Dual Pro case for the Galaxy Note 8. So this is the Incipio Dual Pro case, and it comes in this nice box. It slides right out, and all you get inside is this manual and a little slot here for the case to go into. Simple packaging. I like it. But I would say there are 3 reasons that keep me coming back to getting this case. Let's get to the first part. It's a dual construction case, meaning there's silicone on the interior and a hard plastic shell on the exterior for really good protection. And the materials that they used with the coat on it, the matte finish coat, feels really nice on the hands, kind of like lotion. It gives really good grip so you're not dropping your phone, all while giving you a nice feel on the hands. It has awesome drop and guard protection, which should be a given for most cases, but this thing does it really well while keeping the Note 8's slim figure. So I like how it's designed with the curves on the bottom and everywhere is covered up. You can see the bottom ports, so lovely. And even the top part here where it's like the microphone. So it keeps a really slim profile even when it's a 2 construction case. You're getting 2 layers, but it still keeps a really nice slim profile. I'm telling you, it feels nice in the pocket. So the case itself is pretty beat up after long use, but when you first get it, it's really nice and shiny. But the feel of the case has stayed the same, which I have to say is the best part ever. So I give this product a price to value ratio of 10 out of 10. This is the Incipio Dual Pro case for the Galaxy Note 8. The first thing you're going to notice when you get this case is the lip protection. This thing goes up really high like the Great Wall of China. You can put it on your table and it does a really great job. You could fit a dime and possibly a penny through here. You could definitely fit a dime in here. You can definitely fit a penny through here when you're on the table. Can you? Yeah, I think you can. So little pebbles will not be getting this screen. You practically don't need a screen protector, but I still suggest one. The way the case is shaped is kind of like a nice bar, really thin on the hands, and holding it, it just makes you want to hold it. And because of the size of the chocolate bar, you're definitely not dropping your case. If you are, you still can catch it, because that's how grippy it is. It has a really discreet look, but you can look for other colors. I chose the total black. The buttons themselves are silent to the touch, but very easy to press. Super easy. They're like pillows. The protection all around is 360 degrees. From the top, it even has a hole for the microphone, as well as the bottom for the 3.5 jack, USB-C, speaker, and stylus. So if you want to bring this underwater, you could still do that. It's made of silicone on the interior and a hard plastic shell on the top, and the drop protection is superb. I've dropped this many times on concrete, and it's held up pretty well. You can see that I have a lot of scratches on the top and bottom, and overall the case has gone through a beating, but from afar it still looks really pretty and really discreet. The camera cutout is really simple, and it can be a little bit hard to find the fingerprint sensor, but that's Samsung's fault. So the overall consensus with this case is that it's really good in 3 factors: drop and shock protection, guard protection. The shape of the overall case with the protection 360 gives it a nice slim design without compromising protection. Their lips are really tall. The feel of the case feels really nice in the hands. It makes you want to hold it, even though it's kind of fat. It still keeps that slim, nice feeling to it. You get a good split of protection and slim design. The buttons from day one feel really good. They're silent to touch, but they have a nice pillow effect to them. The bottom cutouts are perfect. And if you want to take this in the water, it really works well. I put this under the sink for cleaning, and I hope to soon use it for the swimming pool. I wouldn't recommend the beach because of all that salt water and sand. You might need a more rugged case. And that's what this is. It's a really good case that has awesome balance between protection and slim design. Easy to hold, kind of like a chocolate bar. Really, kind of like a chocolate bar. The flash has no flares. Overall, this case is on the money. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Subscribe for future content and let me know if you like this video. Bye guys.